Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. So this is the look I created with some of my favorite e.l.f. products, and this video is all about a very old school makeup tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I created this look. So like always, I started off with some brow product, and this is the e.l.f. Brow Gel in the shade Brunette. At first I'm brushing off my hairs to find out the sparse areas, and then accordingly I filled up my brows using a brow pomade. And I use that same brow gel one more time at the end to set those brow hairs on place. And that's all about the brows. You can see it's looking very well defined. And now I'm using a concealer. It's a full coverage concealer by Morphe. It's helping to cancel out those discoloration I have on my eyelids. And next I'm going to use this compact powder very lightly all over my eyelid to set that concealer. And now it's ready for the eyeshadow, and today I'm using this e.l.f. bite size eyeshadow palette in the shade Truffle, and I'm going to start off with the darkest shade of this palette, that is a black color. And this shade is surprisingly very pigmented, which is not always the case in affordable eyeshadow palettes, but this e.l.f. eyeshadow palettes are really great. If you are looking for a pigmented pocket friendly palette, then you can definitely check this. It's around $3 in USA, and recently it got launched on Nykaa in India, so definitely you can give it a try. And now I'm going with the second darkest shade of this palette, that is a brown shade, and again you can see it's nicely pigmented. I just blended that first line I created, and now I'm going with the even lighter shade and blending the edges. And now I've got a clean fluffy brush just to blend those edges. And this look is all about a very sharp graphic elevated eye look. And now all I'm gonna do is clean up the edges from the inside, and then I'll apply a shimmer shadow all over it. And now I'm dampening a sponge tip applicator for that metallic shadow I'm going to use. So this is kind of a silver shade, and applying that all over my eyelid. And now I'm gonna move ahead with the base makeup. At first I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Primer. It actually helps to fill up those pores and makes your skin a lot more even. And then I'm gonna apply a foundation, that too from e.l.f. And today I'm not going to show you the entire base makeup. I only captured those places where I used a e.l.f. product. So this is the foundation in the shade Nude. But there is a fact about this foundation. If you're planning to get this foundation, try to pick a shade lighter than your natural skin color, because this foundation oxidizes after a while. So yeah, that's what you should keep in your mind. Like right now you can see it's looking way lighter than my skin color. So at first I used a brush to spread the product evenly all over my skin, and now I'm using a sponge to blend it finally. And this one has light to medium coverage with a skin like finishing. I'd say it can be a great everyday wear foundation. So this is it. And when I'll be back with the full face up makeup, like with bronzer, blush, highlighter, you won't see my face looking this light. It will be all balanced by then. Like right now you can't see it's that light. And now I'm gonna fill up the waterline, and now I'm gonna be back with the shadow palette one more time just to connect that inner corner with the lower lash line, and also I'll smoke out the lower lash line with that brown shade. And that's pretty much all I've done for this eye makeup. And after this I curl my lashes, followed by a good coat of mascara. And for falsies, today I used individual lashes only in the outer corner. I don't know why I captured that highlighter part, although it was not from e.l.f. It was from MAC, but I love putting highlighter. I think it instantly bring back some glow to your skin, and who doesn't love it, right? And for lips, I'm using a plumping lip gloss from e.l.f. This is in the shade Mocha Twist. And that's all for this look. I hope you like this tutorial. Then don't forget to hit the like button And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be back with the next one. Till then, bye bye. Take care.